So here we are, Friday the 19th of February, well on our way hopefully now towards seeing the end of lockdown, 1 week closer. I'm sure we can't all wait. Here's this week's roundup of what's going on in the property market in and around the Grantham area. Last week we did a call out for people who perhaps had properties they were looking for that they couldn't find in the marketplace, and I've had a request come in for somebody who's looking to be in and around the Gonerby Hill Foot area. He's looking for a minimum of 3 bedrooms, has a budget of between £200,000 and £220,000 and would be a cash buyer, but is looking for a decent garden. So in my mind I'm thinking anybody on the likes of Stevenson Avenue, Cliff Road, those sorts of locations I think would suit this type of buyer really well. So if you're thinking about selling your home at some point very soon, please do get in touch, because I do think we've got people registered with us at the moment who are waiting for your sort of home to come to the market. A little bit about our listings this week. We've had some fantastic new properties come to the market. 41 Knaresborough Drive, which is the David Wilson Barrowby Edge development near Miller and Carter there, listed at offers in the region of £270,000 earlier this week. Has got off to a flying start with great viewings and a selection of different people looking to put offers on that one at the moment, which means that it's probably going to go within inside a week and for the very best money. It's typical of the marketplace and how it's at the moment, but more on that in a second. We've also listed a great 3-bedroom modern semi, 25 Monmouth Way at £176,500. That's got driveway parking for 2, a lovely private garden to the rear as well, and it's beautifully turned out. 14 Colster Way is a larger than expected 2 double-bedroom detached bungalow in a wonderful, well-amented village. Lots of driveway parking. It's got a garage, decent sized garden at the rear as well. And that originally was a 3-bed, but they're now taking the 3rd bedroom into the dining space of the kitchen, so it's a real good one to have a look out for. And then we've also listed in Ancaster, number 10 Saxon Way, a 3-bedroom property adjacent to countryside views to the side of it. It's got a conservatory garage and looks beautifully turned out as well, and that's been listed at £215,000. This week coming, got some really exciting stuff this week. I've got a fully refurbished and a spacious established home on South Parade, which is going to be ready to move into, and that's been fully renovated recently. I've also got a fantastic bungalow. Can't really say too much on it right now, but it's got stunning views out the back, south facing garden, massive plot. It's a lovely footprint as well of a bungalow as well. That's coming to the market in this next week or so. And we've also got a property, a 3-bedroom, very well turned out, semi-detached home with driveway parking on Kedleston Road coming to the market too. Also this week, just a bit of a reminder, on Tuesday of this week, the informal tender comes to an end on the detached bungalow on the corner of Teesdale Road and Dale Road. That's an informal tender property, guide price 175. Really good numbers of viewings already taking place and this coming weekend, and offers will need to be in on that on Tuesday. And equally we've got another one finishing on Monday on Shelley Avenue, an end of terrace 3-bedroom ex-authority home with driveway parking, great sized garden at the rear. Wants a little bit of cosmetic improvement, and again significant viewings on that and good numbers of offers. And if you want to get involved in that one, you'll need to get your offer into us by Monday. And is the perfect storm growing in the Grantham market, or is it a bit artificial? Well, I've got 2 views on this really. At the moment we're finding people are struggling to find their next home, so of course that makes them reluctant to put their own home on the market, which of course creates the problem or exacerbates the problem even further. Some statistics for you: January the 1st to February the 18th 2020, this is last year now, there was 282 new listings in the Grantham area to the market across all the agencies that operate here. From January the 1st to February the 18th 2021, that number was just 180, down by around 36%. So for every 100 houses you used to be able to look at, you can now only look at 63 equivalently. So it's a massive change in the sort of availability. Demand is very low, pressure on prices therefore upward, because of course there is a real problem with supply and demand at the moment. Equally, the sales in that same period last year were 205, and the sales this year are actually 20% higher at 245. So again, the actual available properties you can go and look at the moment are really short. That for the seller is almost definitely creating the perfect storm. I hope you have a fantastic weekend. Keep yourself well and safe, and I'll speak to you soon.